Panel-built security booths, the ultimate solution for your security needs. For 25 years, Panel Built has been at the forefront of the security booth industry, delivering unparalleled solutions to a wide range of clients. From local schools to the United States military, our commitment to quality and innovation ensures your security team is equipped with the best tools for the job. Our security booths come in different sizes, from compact single-person booths to spacious multi-room security offices. At Panel Built, we understand that one size doesn't fit all. That's why we offer both standard and custom security booth options with architectural designs that blend with any environment. Our booths are pre-wired for electrical, complete with a load center. You can choose between panelized or heavy-duty welded steel frames, depending on your security needs. Elevate your security with upgrades, including exterior lights, tinted windows, restrooms, HVAC systems, and advanced security features. At Panel Built, your security is our priority. Let us know your needs and we'll work with you to find the perfect design. Panel Built. Building security, one booth at a time.